Second victim succumbed to injuries following Mandeville party shooting. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Major Investigation Division, the MID, has launched a double murder probe as the second victim, who was shot in a drive-by shooting at the entrance of a party on Ward Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester, on Saturday, has succumbed to his injuries at hospital. The police have named the deceased as 37-year-old Dale Clark, a resident of Caledonia Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester. Police sources said that Clark passed away mid-morning on Tuesday. On Saturday the 28th, Romario Allen, otherwise called Ruru, a resident of Dunsinane district in Manchester, who was also shot in the incident, later passed away at hospital. A police report said that at around 2:15 a.m. on Saturday morning, the men were standing on Ward Avenue when they were shot by gunmen traveling in a motor car. Police sources said that the men were patrons at a nightclub and lounge. On Monday, it was reported that it is suspected that Allen was the target of the shooting in reprisal for the August 5th killing of 35-year-old Adrian Nation, otherwise called Blue, and his uncle, 68-year-old Leslie Levy, otherwise called Lyde or Rasta, in Greenville. The two were buried last Friday, less than 12 hours before Allen was shot on Ward Avenue. The police are continuing their investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.